and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful granny square with the center of a flower. It is I consider it from easy to intermediate level. Just follow me along and you will find it very easy to do. Of course you can attach it with another granny square, for example, or a popcorn granny square, and you attach them all together to create a beautiful blanket. So let's start, shall we? I'm using 2.5mm hook size, and depending on the yarn that you are using, you choose the hook that is suitable for. Now I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, placing as a cross, pull here and chain 1. Now inside this circle I'm going to work a 12 single crochet. So insert inside, pull. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a single crochet. 5, 6. Finish the remaining 6 and come again for the next row. I have finished all of them. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, and then this, the one that we begin with, I'm going to pull to close my circle. Now I'm chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These chain 4 represent 1 double crochet and an extra chain. Take this yarn and work around it. Now in every single crochet I'm going to work 1 double crochet. So now this is my first, this is my second one. This is double crochet, then chain 1. In the next single crochet I'm going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1. All along I'm working around this yarn. Again, chain 1 in each previous single crochet, 1 double crochet and chain 1. So finish them and come again for the next row. I have finished all of them, a 12 double crochet with a chain 1 space between. Now I'm done a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook and then chain 1 and cut. So I'm going to change my color. This yarn from the previous I'm going to to cut, because I work around it, it is secure. So cut. Now I'm adding white to any of the chain 1 space, any of them I'm going to add. And now in this row what we're going to do, we're going to work a cluster of 3 double crochet and with 2 chain space. So I'm going to start by chaining 3. In the same stitch I'm going to work a double crochet, just yarning through the first 2 loops. Again working another double crochet in the same spot through the first 2 loops, only yarning. And I have 3 loops through all loop. Chain 2. Again, as I'm working 1 double crochet, just yarning through the first 2 loops. Again another double crochet, the first 2 loops, and the third one, the first 2 loops. Now I have 4 through all 4 loops, chain 2. Again one more, as if I'm working 1 double crochet, I'm yarning through the first 2 loops only. Again, and this is my third. Now I have 4 loops through all 4 loops and chain 2. So repeat, I have done 3, I need another 9. Finish them and come for the next row. Now that I have finished, I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, chain 1 and yarn and pull and cut. Now these I already work around them, so I'm going to cut the yellow, and now I'm going to add my new color at the top of any of the previous cluster. So this is my cluster at the top here. This is my top. I'm going to add my yarn, and then now chain 1 In the same spot, I'm going to work one single crochet. So I'm yarning over, I have 2 loops. This is 1. I'm going to chain a 3. Now in this 2 chain space, I'm going to work a popcorn, which is mean I'm going to work 5 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to pull, insert it through the first double crochet, take this and then pull inside, chain a 3, and I'm going to work a single crochet at the top of the next cluster and chain a 3, again another popcorn, working 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, pull, insert at the top of the first double crochet and then pull this yarn over, chain a 3, 1 single crochet at the top of the next cluster and then chain 3. Did you find the pattern? Again another popcorn in the chain 2 space, and that's what you're going to do and repeat along all the spaces until you have 12 popcorn in each of the previous, and in the next top you're going to 1 single crochet. I've worked 9, I need another 3, I need another 9, so finish them and come for the next part. I have finished all my popcorn, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the next single crochet, then chain 1 and pull, and I'm going to work on my next row. I'm going to bring my new pink, and now I'm going to add at the top of any of the single crochet, I'm going to add the new pink, and in the same stitch also I'm going to chain 1 and work another single crochet, and I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then in the next also single crochet, working another single crochet, again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next single crochet I'm going to work another single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next single crochet, working another single crochet, and this is my pattern. So finish all the remaining and come again for the next row. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet and work another single crochet. Now all for this row I'm only going to work around the 5 chains, so bringing this yarn so I can work around it, I'm going to do first a single crochet, then half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, again 2 double crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet, all in the chain 5 space. Again I'm going to repeat one more. So in the next directly I'm going to work on the chain space. I'm going to work single, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, again 2 double crochet, half double crochet and a single. And this is my pattern. I've worked twice. I need another 10 more, so finish them and come so that we can transfer this flower into a square. I worked around all the chain space. Now I've worked a lot. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the last in the first single crochet, and then chain 1 and cut. And this is my flower. Now I'm going to add my green at any of the single crochet. I'm going to add the green, and then I'm going to do what? I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 represent 1 double crochet and 2 chain. Now working on the outer loop only, in the next chain space, do you remember this chain space? The outer loop only, I'm going to do a single crochet, chain 2. Now I'm going to do double, triple crochet. I have 2, so in the outer loop between the 2 single crochet, I'm going to work here, chain 3. Now in the next chain space, I'm going to work a cluster of a double. This is my chain space, so at the outer loop only the first 2, again yarn over the first 2. I have 3 loops through all of them, and chain 3, again a cluster of 2 double crochet in the same space, and then chain 3, working a triple between them, a single crochet, chain 2, in the next chain 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet between, chain 2, and then in the next chain 1 double, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and then triple in the next. And this is my pattern. If I pull, see how it resembles the square. You're going to work what? First here, let me show you here, you're going to work a cluster of double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then chain 3 space. Between them, chain 3 space, and in here, between the single crochet, you're going to work a triple. Then 2 chain, 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, a single crochet, and then you're going to repeat again. So finish them and come for the next part. I have finished. I'm going to do a single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and pull and cut down. Now I'm going to add my white at any of before the corner. This is my corner. The cluster will consider the corner. I'm going to add. Now the difficult part has gone. Now the easy part. In this row, simply at each of the chain space, see all the chain space, whether it is 2 or 3, you're going to work a 3 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Except the corner you're going to work what? 3 double crochet. This is a 3 chain and another 3 double crochet, the same 3 chain. So that is my corner. What I've said, you're going to work a 3 double crochet in all the chain spaces. So this is a 3. Now this is a 3 chain, and the next I have 2 chain. Also you're going to work what? 3 double crochet. And this is my pattern for the next row, simply working 3 double crochet in all the chain spaces, and the corner 3 double, 3 chain, 3 double. So finish them and come again. I have finished all of them. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and cut. I stopped at this point, but you can continue. Let me show you the first square. See, you can stop here, and if you attach it to another square, it will be perfect. But you can also add another row of white, the same color. It is very simple row consisting of only one double crochet. You're going to start the row by chaining 3, and then in each of the previous single crochet, you're going to work a single crochet in the corner, 2 chain 2 double crochet. So this is my square for this video. And about these 2 yarn, I'm going to do what fasten off using this in the outer loop. So thanks for watching, and press the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until the next time.